What if the next generation military helicopter could fly faster, farther, and more maneuverably than anything before it? Meet the Defiant X, a new-gen compound helicopter developed by Sikorsky and Boeing. This aircraft is powered by two turboshaft engines, each delivering 7,500 horsepower, enabling speeds up to 288 miles per hour. Its rigid coaxial rotor system and pusher propeller offer exceptional agility, making it roughly twice as fast and far-reaching as the UH-60 Black Hawk. With a combat radius of 280 miles and a service ceiling of 9,843 feet, or 3,000 meters, the Defiant X is built for rapid insertion and extraction in contested environments. Designed for versatility, it can carry up to 12 troops, or 3,680 pounds of cargo internally, with the capability to lift up to 5,300 pounds externally. The aircraft features a tricycle-style landing gear, enhancing stability during landings and taxiing in rugged terrain. Its fly-by-wire flight controls and composite fuselage reduce weight and improve durability, ensuring mission success in demanding conditions. Safety is paramount, with single-engine flight capabilities and the ability to sustain current helicopter speeds even if the propulsor is lost in combat. The Defiant X's rigid rotor system allows rapid turns, enabling quick evasion of threats and enhancing survivability. Its development continues to influence the design of future vertical lift aircraft, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in military aviation. As technology advances, we can expect even more revolutionary aircraft that redefine the skies. What do you think?